Now, one thing I wanted to show you was the Roku stick, or little sender receiver unit. So if you want to watch YouTube on your telly, all you need is this £20 Roku Express kit, and you've got a remote control, you've got an HDMI plug, and you've got a USB plug for the power. And once you've logged in to Roku, which is just give it an email address and a password, and you can log into YouTube, but you can watch on your phone and press a few little buttons on your phone and it comes up on your 40 or 50 inch TV screen. Please mind our wallpaper, it's a bit psychedelic, it just came with the house. Anyway, people are making good content in HD or 4K even, and you can watch it on a big telly, and you can see everything on a big telly. Let me demonstrate. So, how you use it. So, you tap the screen on the video you're watching. You go to the symbol with three little lines at the corner of the box, and I set this one up and it's called Roku Lounge, and you click on Roku Lounge and the video now appears on the telly in probably about 20 seconds. Just slide the slider back to the front, right, and there it is. You can watch the whole thing on a big telly. Now this is just not promoting my stuff. Everybody, you can pause it, you can skip the adverts, all the buttons are there. You can also use the remote control here to play and pause, and you can use the OK button when it says skip adverts. You can press OK and skip the adverts. Now, would you rather watch these fabulous videos in HD on a 40 or 50 inch telly, or a tiny little phone? I know what I prefer. That wallpaper is amazing. Anyway, I recommend getting a Roku Express stick for about 20 quid. This is not sponsored. I just want you to enjoy the content that many people are putting up in the best quality. If you want to watch other stuff, it does other stuff as well. The home button, you can subscribe to Netflix or to all sorts of things. You can search for stuff. Discovery Plus is reasonably good value, but you know, you can use, you know, if you're in the right countries, you can get iPlayer and More 4 and whatever channels are on in your country. You know, with relevant, some of them you have to pay. Anyway, I digress. I think it's a very good way of watching telly.